Hey guys, I'm the Angry Gamer on Xbox. Welcome to my first video. If you read my description of my YouTube channel, you'll see what I have gotten today. I have gotten Xbox One and PS4. PS4 is refurbished. Xbox One brand new because if you read the description, I'm more of an Xbox gamer at heart. So, let's get right into it. I think I'll start with the Xbox One because I got to connect with that one, which, in my opinion, is going to be a lot more awesome. So, these were just delivered by UPS, overnight mail. Oh, so you know how to work with Xbox One. Oh my god. First out of the box is the Kinect. Holy hell, this Kinect is, otherwise this Kinect is pretty long. That's now almost like, now let's get this out of the way. Quick setup guide, a Dance Central Spotlight, a full game download VA. Got equipped to have that. Xbox One, no, not gonna need that. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna play it. So, what's come out of the box so far is the power cord, plug in the wall, power block, all this instruction manual stuff. If anybody wants this Dance Central Spotlight video or game, whatever, let me know in the comments below, and I'll contact you about it. Here we have a chat headset. Oh my god, the controllers. Let's unbox this controller. I wish I could have gotten the Day 1 edition, but no, it wasn't gonna happen. So here, let's get this. Oh, there are my batteries, my Duracells. I'm gonna need this because I already got a play charge kit. Here's the controller, very functional, sleek, like the 360 controller. It's very nice. There's that. Don't need that anymore. That. Here is the 4K HDMI cable. Then let's get all this other jumble out of the way, and down to the console. Never thought I'd get an Xbox One, but here I am. So, alright, here I'm going to put my phone down so I can get this beast, release the beast. Let's get all this styrofoam out first. Oh my god, this Xbox One. Okay guys, my first impressions on this Xbox One. First impressions on the Xbox One. It's very big and bulky, I like that in a console, because it shows it has more power. Xbox One, 500 gigabyte hard drive. Don't really know more than that, then this is going to be so awesome. So other than that, I'm not going to be doing like any recording game or videos of me setting this up. I already have an Xbox account, so I already have games on that account. So I'm going to hope on that another video I will be unboxing that refurbished PS4. So thank you guys so much for watching my first video on the Xbox One unboxing and review. As far as reviews go, I played an Xbox One before, so I'd give this a 9 out of 10, considering a 9 out of 10 because we connect to Xbox Live every 24 hours, which that's not really a burden for me. So bye. I want to keep this video under 5 minutes.